story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hey guys, today I will be shopping. Just getting some stuff at this moment. You're not gonna see my face. I'm just gonna show you what's going on. So yes guys, as you can see I'm getting some stuff. Guys, I'm at Walmart guys. As you can see, I'm at Walmart. So yes guys. So yes guys, as you can see, some stuff there. Still here. Guys, I don't know how to pack. Something I want to laugh off of me because I don't know how to pack. So please do not laugh at me. You hear me? I want to know, don't laugh off of me. Need to get some Cocoa Pebbles. So guys, which one of these cereal do you like? Comment down below, let me know which one of these cereal you like. Some people don't answer my mad face. I will be behind the camera. Guys, please remember to subscribe and jam when I come in here yet. I don't know if I'm me or what. Y'all wasn't supposed to see me, guys. I don't know why is it y'all seeing me. Salt is a must. Can't cook it up. So yes, people. Guys, we're in a Walmart. Are you looking for peanuts? I don't know where to find it. So time to get some popcorn. So for the popcorn lovers, here's she. Sister she right to so. She right to so real nice. She right to so real nice. But guess what? I take the one here. Because guess what? The great value, even though it's a great value, butter flavor my favorite popcorn. It's our extra butter. Even though a great value brand, it is still good. It tastes really good. Guys, the carrot are full. Look at that. And where are the peanuts? Huh? The peanut.
Peanuts first now.
First? Okay, thank you. I didn't know it's a peanut or somewhere, so. Peanut. Good Walmart, you know. You can get everything for Jamaica, yeah. Go there, people. Go there. Is she? Yes, guys. So this is the Caribbean oil. You get everything you want in it. The Caribbean oil. Guys, my run again. Should I get some stuff? So guys, I'm going to the cashier now. Oh, I am so tired, like very tired. It's been like a long day for me. You know, after working 6 days, then you have to come to the store. Listen me. Yes, people. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. I can't believe the night come down already. Since we're coming here. Walk into the cashier, guys. Whew. Guys, I want to go home. At least the line kind of move. I look like I'm way back here, so, but it's just because of COVID and distance. I am so tired, like literally tired. I'm literally tired, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend about life with Curry Goodaz. I don't want to know me talk so low. Come on, the people must have me a video. I must have said the girl like crazy, you know. She don't want them know. Guys, I'm trying not to video people face. You know, I don't want people face sketching on my camera. This is the man. Yeah, yo. Yes, sure. So I'll be back with you guys shortly when I reach the cashier. When me there cashier, me I got video on the site. Come on, I want to know something a video. Same to you. Whew. Guys, I am tired. Look at this trolley. It's so big. Guys, it was too much of a hustle, so I literally could not video while I was at the cashier. It's too much of a hustle. I'm gonna have to hide the camera. So see you guys shortly. Whew. People, please remember to subscribe to my video. I'll check in back with you guys when I reach home. Let you guys know that I reach home safe. So guys, bye until I reach home. We just reach home. I am so tired. Literally. Look at it. I am tired. So many videos show my face. But I want to say a big thanks to each other. Why this off?
Oh yeah, I thought I just.
Yeah, man. Jesus Christ. What's the out the door? So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Goodaz. Yes, people. So this is just a little day in the life with Curry Goodaz. And the house kind of dark. The light them not on. This is me. The light them is not on. This is my people. But please remember the #1 rule is to subscribe. Whew. I'm gonna have a nice bath now. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna get off this whole week off of my body. Yes, people, I'm not going out tonight. I'm just gonna relax. watch some movie. Love you guys. And guys, also please remember to run over to my next channel, which is CNG Daily Updates. Yes, that's CNG Daily Updates. Also guys, you can run go check out Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. One more person to the list, Body Blocks Music, guys. Please don't forget Body Blocks Music. Bless up on yourself, people. You think me gonna leave she out? That girl Prinny. People, check out that girl Prinny. She's a good supporter. Want to show her some love. Bless up on yourself, people. Bye. Magan.
And the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm all